Alright, I'm here in my garage and I'm pushing the button. And for some reason, it's not going down, so something's stopping it. I think when it goes all the way up to the top, now it's going, but it's been sticking. So what I'm going to do is sometimes the sensors get knocked or something. So I'm going to just actually spray a little bit of a cleaner on here and get these cleaned off. And like I said, sometimes these get bumped. I just want to make sure that they're pointing at each other. I'm trying to clean off the glass there real good. Alright, we'll go over the other side. Do the same thing over here. Okay, because it's been now this light should go off if there's, let's see, is there something breaking the plane? Okay, let's try that. See where we're at here. Okay, pushing the button. Back up. And why isn't it going? Usually it sticks like that if the plane has been interrupted and it's not green. So let me try to adjust these a little bit and make sure they're lined up here. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, so this sensor, the light was off because it's pointing down a little bit and it wasn't, looks like it had some play there, so I lifted it up a little bit. So one of your lights should come on, and if the plane is broken, it should go off or flash like that. So, and that one over there, the light is green, so we're good here. But we'll see if that didn't help out a little bit. Clean the lenses off a little bit and make sure that your things didn't get hit. They should be, the light should be lit, and then if the plane is broken from that lens to the other, then it should start flashing like that, and that should stop it if it's going down. So if your light's not on and you're trying to shut it, it's going to stop and go back like it was with mine there. So hopefully that will help out a little bit. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you next time.